Well, keeping with the Christmas season that is coming close, today I'll be showing you one of my mom's Christmas recipes, which is called date rolls. It's super easy to make and really yummy. And today I'll be keeping it completely veg. I'm not going to use any eggs or anything, so any of you can try it out and let me know whether you liked it. And if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and join AKSHATAS recipes family. And also go and check out my other Christmas recipes. I have many traditional recipes like guava cheese, which is also called PERAD. I've got the kulkul recipe uploaded, NEURIS. I've also uploaded some walnut fudge. I've uploaded Christmas cake. I've uploaded even some Ferrero Rocher chocolates. The list is endless. So all you have to do is go to my playlists on my home screen and go and just search in the search button for Christmas recipes, and you'll get a whole list of them. I'll also be leaving a link in my description box, so you just have to click the link for whatever recipe you want to see. And also go and check out my channel. I have more than 200 recipes uploaded over there, so do give it a go. So without much further ado guys, let's start making this amazing Christmas recipe called date roll. Okay friends, first we're going to start by taking some ghee in a pan. I've taken about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now we're going to heat up the ghee on a low to medium flame, and once our ghee is nice and hot, we are going to add 1 cup of dates or khajur, which has been de-seeded. You also get the de-seeded variety, but if yours has seeds in it, just de-seed it. Now we're going to fry this till all of this mixture comes together. You'll actually get the lovely aroma of the dates. So fry this for about 5 minutes. And once that is done, you can just take it out in a separate bowl and let it cool completely. You can even put it into the refrigerator. And now we're going to make the dough for our date rolls. So in a bowl, we're going to take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar or castor sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, which is at room temperature, and also keep half a cup of cold milk handy. Now first we're going to mix everything very well till it resembles some breadcrumbs. So mix in the butter and the flour and all the other ingredients very well. As you can see, now it resembles breadcrumbs, and when you take a bit of it in your hand, in the palm of your hand, it should come together like this. That means your dough is ready, and now you have to just add milk so that you can just form it into a soft yet a firm dough. So I have used about 1/4 cup of cold milk. So just mix it very well. And once our dough is all ready, we're going to set it aside for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to line our baking tray with some baking paper or parchment paper. Now I've also applied a little bit of butter onto the tray so that the baking paper sticks well. Now the date mixture has completely cooled down, so we're just going to mold them into cigar shapes or sausage shapes and keep them aside. Now we're going to take about half of our dough and roll it out using a rolling pin. Roll it out till it comes to about 1 inch thickness. We don't want it very thick and we don't want it very thin. So once you've got a nice rolled out dough, the next step is we're going to cut it up into half, and now we're going to put in our date filling right in the center of each of the halves of the dough. And we're going to fold it gently. Cut off all the excess dough that we don't require. And just pinch the edges so that they get sealed well together. And just roll it out a bit. Do the same with the other one. When you pinch the two edges together, they get sealed very, very well. And the dough is very easy to work with. It's very, very elastic. So now you can just take one of them and roll them well till they resemble a flute, a cigar, a sausage, and it has to be nice and rounded. Now take a very sharp knife and cut them into even size. So you can use one to measure all the rest, so you get even sized date rolls. So in this way, cut up the next one too. And I've done the same thing with the other half of the dough. And once we have all of them ready, we're just going to place them on our baking tray, leaving a little space between them. So space them evenly. And now we're just going to brush them with some melted butter. See that you're very generous with this, because this was going to give it a lovely golden brown color once it is baked. You can also use one beaten egg. Just take one egg, beat it up and brush it on top instead of using the butter. You can also use the egg, but of course if you want to keep it completely veg, then you go in for the butter option. And now all we're left to do is bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes till they are nice and golden brown and baked completely. Don't they look delicious? And yes, they do taste delicious. They're really very crunchy and you have a lovely date filling inside. So I hope you liked this date roll recipe. I have many more Christmas sweets on my channel. I will leave the link below for all of them. I have the recipe for kulkuls, milk cream, guava cheese, which is also called PERAD. There's Christmas cake. There's NANKHATAIS biscuits. There's walnut fudge. So I'll leave a link below and you can just go and check all these recipes. Now if you liked this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and join the AKSHATAS recipes family. Once you have subscribed, do ring the bell icon so every time I come up with a new video, you will get a notification of the same. Do visit my channel. I have more than 200 recipes. I have playlists which is easier for you to find what you're looking for. So you can just go and check whether you want to see Christmas sweets, whether you want to see chicken recipes, you want to see vegetarian recipes, lunch, dinner, breakfast. Everything is made into lovely playlists. And thank you so much for stopping by at AKSHATAS Recipes. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.